Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello there, fellow goat enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain how to get the builder goat in Goat Simulator. To start your adventure, first make sure you are playing on the Goat City Bay map. This special goat is unlocked by collecting 3 unique, block-like items scattered across this particular area. Finding all 3 will grant you access to this fantastic mutator, allowing you to build and create in exciting new ways. Let's dive into the locations. Your first stop is the cemetery. From your initial spawn, turn right and make your way towards the prominent windmills. Keep going past them, and you will soon enter a somewhat eerie, dark cemetery. Look carefully on the left side of this area, and you will discover the first of the 3 blocks, often appearing as a stone block. Grab it, and let's move on to the next one. Next, let's find the second and third blocks. For the second, head towards the skate park. Once there, look for a path leading up a nearby hill. The dirt block awaits you at the top. Finally, make your way to the amusement park. Along the shoreline, you will spot a dirt path. Follow it, and near a distinctive tree by the water, you will uncover the third and final wood block. You're almost there. Congratulations! Once you have collected all 3 of these special blocks, the Builder Goat mutator will automatically unlock for you. You can now access it from your game's mutators menu. With the Builder Goat, you gain the incredible power to place different types of blocks, like stone, dirt, and wood, anywhere in the game world. Get ready to build amazing structures and unleash your inner architect.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.